Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, on Friday, June the 6th, looking at some bulletin board hero stocks from a technical perspective. I'm starting off with Aminex, which is arguably one of my favorite setups at the moment. We've got the extended base here, the final sort of selling climax bear trap towards 0.6 pence, the extended support along the 50-day moving average at 0.83 pence, and the floor of a rising February price channel, which is currently pointing at 1.5 to 1.6 pence. So that's the target here. And the view now is that at least while there's no end of day close back below the 50-day line at 0.83 pence, we would be targeting that price channel top. We're also backed by a line of RSI support in the oscillator window from the end of April. So a reasonable risk reward there, risking 0.1 to 0.15 pence, trying to make half a penny in the near term. Next up is everyone's favorite, or most people's favorite at the moment, if you're a bull at least, and that's Lenny Gas and Oil. It's behaved very well in terms of the technical setup here in recent days and weeks. We had the initial break above the 200-day moving average, a bull flag there, another sort of bull flag or extended bull flag around the 1.1 to 1.2 pence zone, and then gaps to the upside, which is roughly where we are now. Situation really here is that even though the shares are very, very overbought, the RSI is 94 and there could be a bit of a pullback, the way of trading this on a technical basis in the near term is probably to regard weakness towards the 2.5 pence zone as a buying opportunity, and only really back below 2 pence, the former 2012 initial resistance is really negative here. But there just seems to be so much momentum here that ideally we wouldn't even go back below Thursday's low of 2.35 pence before a new leg to the upside. And as you can see, my target here is 4 pence plus over the next probably over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Finishing off with Rose Petroleum. This is a rare situation here where I'm actually sort of going for a sort of lap of honor type of thing, or at least to show how charting can work on these small stocks, on these single penny stocks. The last time I covered Rose, the shares were within this pennant formation around 2.5 pence. The 2.5 pence level. I regarded that as a mid-move consolidation. A pennant can be that a continuation, a setup as well. And what we've seen here is that the measured move target of 4 pence was almost exactly hit on Wednesday. That was sort of the high area of the day, and really, it was a job done in terms of the technicals on that situation. In fact, what I would say now is that we'll probably still have more on the upside here, but we want to see a bit of consolidation between 3 and 4 pence. The previous high in May, 3 pence, and the high for June so far at 4 pence, but still looking quite strong after the situation cools off a bit. That's it from me. More updates on spreadbetmagazine.com.